Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I really appreciate the time you invest in watching these videos. Longtime viewers will recognize this place as we walk around. This is the Wooden Shoe Tulip Farm, and it's the Tulip Festival. Now, last year, because of climate change, it bloomed a lot later. And so we didn't see as many blooms as we normally see. This is more of a normal, and the bloom explosion is happening. So we're going to go see some tulips. And it's a whole field, so I like this better than Danny Rojas does. Danny Rojas, you may remember, only likes one tulip. We're going to see a whole tulip field. So come on, let's go see a whole tulip explosion.
Aww. I know you get the smell. Let's see.
Oh,
Probably my sister dogs.
oh, well, let me figure that out.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Oh, I don't know.
Although I think get the shape.
There are all kinds of things for kids to do in here. Just so you know, I'm not a teddy bear. And if you want, you can get some wooden shoes. They'll make them right here for you. Now, as I mentioned earlier, last year was different from the standpoint of where they had things bloom. They move it from field to field, obviously, so they don't eat up all the nutrients. But also, it was just a bad year for tulips last year. And the field you can see behind me was where the bloom was, and it wasn't much. But if we go this way, you can see behind me now, there are all kinds of blossoms back there. So we're going to go out into those fields here in a minute. They have trains to go out to the fields. You can ride. You can walk, but you can also ride out there.
Yeah, but it's not real. It's not marijuana. It looks.
So now we're out in the field. They still have a tent here. You can get flowers and food, things like that. But this is where it's really happening, is out here. You can see they've got not quite a gazillion varieties of tulips. You see that guy sitting down there? Somebody wrote a song for his mother. He's 93, but somebody wrote a song for his mother. It was called Tiptoe Through the Tulips with Me.
Come tiptoe through the tulips with me.
Atrás de la I. Allí.
Thank you for keeping them out of the flowers.
They didn't listen.
No, I don't think they understood. Because I noticed I'm coming, I'm giving cheer between.
I'm not. No, thank you.
You want me to take a picture of all of you together on the bench? You can do it. Stand behind Barbara.
Yeah. They didn't listen.
I'm not using this because she wants to use this because she wants to.
Did they grow these in Ohio?
Not a lot.
Just like there's a zoom out feature, but it's not the best.
You can have wine here, you can have beer here, all kinds of libation, water, soda. there's a lot of color going on out here at Dani Rojas, and it's not overwhelming. You should come out here, okay? And there's a lot of stuff going on. All of it's free once you buy your ticket, unless you buy stuff inside the gift shop or you buy flowers. And we've had a good time here. There's a lot more color here than there was last year. We'll probably be back next year. If you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back because you deserve it. And if you liked it, hit the like button and give it a thumbs up. You might think about subscribing. And I still need about 40 watch hours to hit my 4,000 goal. So if you want to watch it again, go ahead and do that. Anyway, we've got something different next week, so we will see you next week.